Yeah, I think getting to your questions about how we're onboarding people and what values we're putting into them, we used to tell people in interviews like, look, if you're going to work here, you have to be the kind of person who's willing to take out the trash, no matter who you are, because Josh and I do that. It's like we might clean the bathroom or whatever it was, and it wasn't just that we needed help pitching in on everything. It was we needed a service mindset. We needed people that looked at the practice of law as a calling, as a way to serve, as something that can be very personally meaningful only through service. And if you're in service of your own ego and you like that piece of paper and you hang it up and you kind of hide behind it, it can give you some comfort for a while, but eventually you'll be asking yourself, why am I doing this? Why am I practicing? And so we tried to set a course that was based on empathy, customer service, and we made sure as we grew that it wasn't just lawyers that were getting that message. Our receptionists, the paralegals, the people that were just helping us with filing, we wanted them to know that we see this as a platform of purpose, and not purpose like save the world kind of, that kind of stuff. More like, you show up for your teammates first and foremost. You have to have a reason to jump out of bed in the morning and want to come here. And, so then it was like, okay, well, also you can serve clients. You can get them from this extremely troubling situation to a light, higher ground. And that's very satisfying, of course, and we can all do that as a team. And so, we kind of rallied around that. But then we really wanted them to see that if we do this right, we can actually change the perception that people have of this work, and we could change the way our competitors are approaching it, and we could change the outcomes for people that we don't even have as clients. Because if there's more accountability in our practice, generally, if that becomes the standard, and remember, the internet's the great equalizer, and everything's transparent now, if that can become the standard, it's going to serve everybody. And so in a small way, you're making an improvement whether you're the lawyer doing closing argument or the receptionist who's just making someone who just lost their loved one feel comfortable.